Hey, Jeff here. A lot of my friends ask, dude, how do you scream like that? Well, I'll give you guys a little pointer, okay? A little point. Wait, where's it? There it is, point. Yeah. A little pointer. Okay. The trick to the scream is you have to have your throat in a state, like when you yawn, like, you gotta have your throat rested, okay? Like, oh, got it? I'll give you a little hint. It's like, oh, it's like, oh, that note, you go, ah! That's how you do it. Just remember that yawn. And you got to have your diaphragm. You got to breathe in. See? And then a good point also is the... Okay? You got it? Now try it. Remember the yawn. Got to have that throat inside. Like that. And then... and like that. Same thing with the train. Okay, for the train whistle, all right, you gotta go that's the train. The peacock. Everybody goes, hey dude, do your peacock. Okay. It's the same thing from when you scream. Oop, that's a burp. Soda. It's the same thing when you scream, okay? The peacock. You know, the big old bird with the big old wings. It's you kind of gotta go like this, and like that, and like this, and like that. And then, and then the crow, it's close to that, but you got to have a little rasp, you know. See what I'm saying? And then the yodel, yodel, like that. Go. Everything is the same. You got to have your throat, your yawning state. That when you yawn, like, and you have that off feel, when your throat is sitting right back there, that's when you can do all those crazy sounds. I mean, that's when you can do all those crazy sounds. I believe that's all, folks. Bye-bye. Thank you for tuning in.